high above forests, mountains, deserts, and coastlines. A silent predator watches it, sees 8 times farther than a human, moves faster than a sports car, and dives with precision, deadly enough to snatch life from the air. This is a raptor, a bird of prey. Birds of prey are among the most extraordinary hunters on the planet. Their biology is fine-tuned for vision, speed, stealth, and power. In this documentary, we explore the many worlds of these skybound predators, from the icy cliffs of the Arctic to the humid jungles of the Amazon. Welcome to the secret world of eagles, hawks, owls, falcons, and vultures. Evolution of raptorial birds. Birds of prey evolved millions of years ago. Fossils suggest their lineage emerged from small, fast dinosaur-like ancestors. Over time, wings elongated, claws curved, and eyesight sharpened. The result? Specialized apex predators that filled ecological niches across every continent except Antarctica. There are 3 main groups: accipitriforms, eagles, hawks, buzzards, kites, and Old World vultures, falconiforms, falcons and caracaras, strigiforms, owls. Each evolved unique adaptations to dominate their environments. Anatomy of a perfect predator. The talons of a raptor are curved, knife-sharp, and powered by strong foot muscles, capable of exerting hundreds of pounds of pressure. The beak is hooked for tearing, not chewing. The eyes are enormous in proportion to the skull, with retinal density far beyond that of a human. Raptors have forward-facing eyes for depth perception, useful in gauging distance to prey. They can see ultraviolet light, helping them track urine trails of rodents. Some, like owls, have asymmetrical ears that let them triangulate sound precisely in darkness. Muscles are dense but light, allowing high-speed flight with minimal energy waste. Feathers are shaped for maneuverability, with some birds like owls evolving silent flight via specialized fringed wings. Hunting techniques. Each bird of prey has a unique hunting style. Falcons, like the peregrine, are pursuit predators, diving at speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour to snatch birds mid-flight. Hawks use stealth and agility, maneuvering through forests to ambush prey. Eagles rely on power and vision, soaring high and swooping down with crushing talons. Owls are the masters of night hunting, using hearing and silent wings to catch prey in pitch darkness. Cooperative hunting is rare, but seen in species like Harris's hawks, which hunt in packs like wolves, flushing prey out from hiding. Some raptors have learned to use tools or manipulate fire to hunt. In Australia, black kites and whistling kites are known to spread wildfires intentionally by carrying burning sticks to flush out prey. Life cycle and reproduction. Raptors typically raise few young, but invest heavily in parental care. Many mate for life and return to the same nesting sites for years. Nests are built in high, inaccessible locations. Cliffs. After hatching, chicks grow rapidly. Sibling rivalry is intense. In many species, the stronger chick may kill the weaker to monopolize food. Young raptors spend weeks or months learning to fly and hunt. Once mature, they face a life of independence, covering massive distances to establish their own territory. Global distribution. Raptors live everywhere, from the Arctic tundra to the African savanna, from Himalayan peaks to Amazon canopies. Each species fits into its ecosystem, controlling populations of rodents, reptiles, and other birds. They're indicators of ecological health. A decline in raptors usually signals imbalanced toxins, habitat destruction, or climate stress. Human relationships and conservation. Throughout history, humans have both revered and feared raptors. Falcons were symbols of royalty in ancient Egypt. Eagles feature on emblems, flags, and currencies. Owls carry spiritual meaning across cultures: wisdom, death, mystery. Yet raptors have also been poisoned, hunted, and driven from their habitats. DDT in the mid-20th century almost wiped out bald eagles and peregrine falcons in North America. Conservation laws, pesticide bans, and breeding programs helped bring many species back from the brink today. Threats include wind turbines, habitat loss, rodenticides, and illegal hunting. But technology, including satellite tagging and drone surveillance, is helping. Researchers protect nesting sites and track migration. Raptors in urban landscapes. In recent years, raptors have begun adapting to city life. Peregrine falcons now nest on skyscrapers feeding on pigeons. Red-tailed hawks hunt squirrels in city parks. Barn owls live in barns and silos. Urban environments create both opportunities and risks. There is abundant prey, but also pollution. Collisions. In human disturbances, conservationists are working to educate communities on coexisting with raptors and preserving green spaces. Raptors and the balance of nature. Raptors maintain balance in ecosystems by controlling prey populations. Without them, rodent outbreaks, disease spread, and ecological collapse become real threats. Their presence is a sign of a healthy, functioning wilderness. Research shows that ecosystems with top predators, like raptors, are more resilient to climate stress and biodiversity loss. Conclusion. Birds of prey represent power, precision, and patience. They are symbols of freedom and dominance. Yet their survival depends on our protection. Every flight, every hunt is a lesson in adaptation. To protect them is to protect the skies, the forests, and the ecosystems they keep in balance. The world is quieter without them and less wild. Their future is tied to ours. Support their conservation, spread their story, and never forget to look up. The sky belongs to the hunters.